What's up guys? So it's super early in the morning. Do you know what this means? Comment down below if you know what this means. If you got it right, yeah, you're right. We're going snowboarding. It is 7 o'clock. I am like so tired. I don't even know how the hell I'm going to make it to Izzy. I was supposed to make it for 7:30, but that is not happening. He probably thought I was gonna make it, but 7:30 is not happening, bro. 7:30 is not happening, but I tried my best. I just had to be 10-15 minutes late. We're heading down to Blue Mountain. They do have 3 slopes that are gonna be open today. We're expecting some fresh powder. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna take some film photos. So yeah, pretty excited for that. But yeah, you guys are gonna get to meet Izzy for the first time. I'm pretty pumped for that too, but right now we gotta go.
First floor.
Let's go, baby, come on. Let's go. Izzy's gonna kill me. But he knows. He's gonna get upset and then we're gonna get down the slope and he's gonna be like, yo, this is sick, cuz. But yeah, that's about it. We're going snowboarding, baby. We're going boarding. Started the vlog for today, bro.
Yeah, you wanna do a vlog? You bring your film camera?
I brought everything, bro. Come on. Of course.
That's fucking amazing. That's fucking amazing.
Yo, man's been running it. Bro, I was on time, yo. I was like legit on time, but like I totally forgot to pack some of the film shit. So I'm like, fuck. Moonstone has 19 runs open.
Wow. Really?
Apparently.
I wanna get in your car, bro.
Yo, just throw it anywhere, bro.
I'm not trying to throw your camera, bro.
It's a doodle camera, bro. Throw that shit in the back.
You know.
Bro, so tell me how the camera's been recording for 30 minutes, bro.
Shit, man, you were trying to record.
Look at that. Now I have 2 hours left of fucking battery.
Bro,
not 2 hours, not even 2 hours.
Do you know what you've been recording? A whole bunch of bullshit.
Bro, I've been recording nothing. I have 2 bars left and this camera's gonna die.
Yo, don't worry.
Look at that. We got our boards in here.
Yeah.
Look at Mr. Thermal. Okay, Izzy. So guys, of course, because we're going snowboarding and you gotta be smart with these kind of things. I bought myself a disposable film camera so that Ezzy and I will be able to take some film photos.
Gang.
On the freaking hill.
Gang.
Going down the freaking hill.
Gang.
Hey.
Film.
Hey.
Gang.
So the one I got is a Fuji Instax. Oh, it's not the Instax because it's not Kodak, but it's the Smile Snap. 17 bucks. Super easy. Fits in my pocket. You already know what it is. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah. Going out. I'm shy.
No, he's not.
I want to be behind
not.
the camera for a little bit.
This guy's a sick photographer, y'all. He's a sick ass photographer.
But listen to this. I got some headphones.
Sheesh.
Don't ask why. Actually, I'll tell you why. So I could just have some music and I could talk to this guy when we're going downhill. Yo, I'm on the left side of the hill.
Yo, I fell on the ground.
It's more for him. He's gonna fall on the ground. I gotta go rescue him.
Cause like, yo, honestly, it's like the first time after a while.
You know what? Do you know what you should tell him? You should tell him also like, yo, I got like some nice. Or you know what? Later. There's too much gear on me right now. I got some nice, you know, malleable crash pants type of thing on my thing. You know what I mean? It absorbs impact.
This is gonna be our first year where we're gonna actually like solidly at the end of the season be like, yo, we're borders.
Yeah.
Like 110%.
Men's are gonna go to Tremblant after and like all that nice places. And even Jasper, you know, have those like 5-hour runs. Woo! Let's do this.
Yo, I'm so sorry to laugh at you, bro. Yo, honestly, this is the most 2019 thing to deal with. I swear to God, bro.
Why'd I buy this?
Oh my God, bro. I don't think there's anything more 2019 thing to ever deal with, bro. I thought it was an iPhone thing, but yo, I'm sorry to laugh, bro. I had to pull the vlog out, bro, cause like, yo, you have the receipt.
I think it's just not meant to be, bro. No, I'm still keep this. It's not too bad. I got a dongle, but
tell you what, bro. I'll give you one of my earpods. Because they're wireless. We just gotta stay close. Or you're not gonna have no music. But they're good, yo. They're good. I'll see, yo. I'll see. I'll think about it still, cause you know. Yeah. Don't fucking kill me. I'm dead.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
My poor friend, yeah, I feel so bad, bro.
Wow.
I feel like shit still. I feel bad, but
wow.
Doesn't it get steeper when we get there?
What?
It looks steeper now, right?
Yeah, bro. It looks a little bit steeper, bro.
But yo, so guys, we ended up deciding to go to Moonstone instead because Blue Mountain is awesome as it is. There's only 3 runs, and there's a risk for a lot of ice today, so we're like dead it. But Moonstone, literally, like, let's say Blue Mountain is like 100%, Moonstone's like a good like 85, 90%.
Also put in mind, a lot of people are going to Blue Mountain.
Yes,
Moonstone's not really touched.
Yep. Here, there's a lot of it, not a lot of people here. So overall, Moonstone was a better choice. We're gonna get over there. Yeah, look at that. Look at all these runs. 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 Come on now. Come on now. Look at all these runs. Come on. Are you serious? Are you freaking serious, bro?
Guys, it's gonna be a blast. What's going on, Mr. Traffic Patrol? Anyways.
What's up, guys? So we're all geared up. Check out my board. Here's my board. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show you guys Izzy's setup, and we're about to crack open the. Right here, we got 27 exposures. We got some flash on here. Shooting film on the slopes. Yeah. Shooting film on the slopes. Yeah. Shooting film on the slopes. Yeah. On the slopes. Yeah.
Alright, let's see that camera. Let's see that camera.
Alright, so we got the Instax. First shot, we're ready. Boom. There you go, bro. 1, 2, 3, boom. Alright, y'all. So, oh, we ready, bro. Izzy, are you ready to show your setup, fam?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, so my board right here. Got my heart, my helmet, GoPro, goggles, boots. Ready to go. Alright, let's get this.
Just listen to the trees.
And it'll take me a second to go.
Izzy, let's go, yo.
They speak with ease. As human as it comes, trying to find a break in the landscape of light. Let's face it, everything changes. New to the same decay. Let's face it, everything changes like an earthquake as it bursts. West of church streets, move else. I just need a moment. It's hard to focus. Lead me to the evergreen fields of faith. Just listen to the trees. They speak with ease. As human as it comes.
Get back up, get back up.
To the same decay. Let's face it, everything changes. Everything changes. Everything changes.
Yo, you ready with the GoPro, bro?
I'm ready for everything, bro. Ready for life.
Izzy's fucking carving. Shout out to the new homies.
White powder,
Holy. Holy.